Hello. Before to proceed, I would like to present myself as an expert in radio communications because of my past experience working at different radio coast stations, and also because of many years spent on board Canadian Coast Guard vessels. Until 1999, we were using Morse Code to communicate. This Morse Code session, Telegraphy 101, sending it with a flute or a whistle, is intended to animators, instructors, monitors, scouts, leaders, parents who are in charge of any age groups. Also to anyone who would like to know more about the subject. To learn and have more fun and be able to play quicker, instead of just learning, we divide the group into smaller groups, and we also divide the alphabet to the same amount, so we share the learning by giving a portion of the alphabet to each of the group. Like this, at the end of the evening, everybody get together and someone sending letters, words of all the letters we have learned during the evening. Doing this every week, comes the end of the season, you are able to go into a forest or campsite and play a relay. That is, if you cover 5 kilometers, you put one group at 1 kilometer apart until the end to relay the message. So the places you already know, I suppose: classrooms, forest, farm, campsite, gymnasium, wherever you can play. Inside, I suggest to use the flute because it's a soft tone. Use the whistle outside. Where is my whistle? Outside. And use one that there's no ball within, otherwise it will rattle. Morse code, alphabet, how it is composed or built, mainly of a dot, a dash, a combination of the two, and a space. As an example, I have a Morse code card here. You will see in section 2 of the video. Letter D as delta is the dash 2 dots, and it's pronounced da did it. If you want to write it under another code on a paper when you exchange written messages, you can use peaks, dash large peak, dot smaller peak. So let's see how it does using a flute, like a whistle. Letter D, delta, da did it. One more time. Here we have D, A, W, N separated. Da did it, dida, didada, da did. If you use on a written paper, you can use that code. Now, when it is a word like this, down, use a dash between each letter. When you go to a next word, you leave a blank, and then you start again the same procedure. That's about it. Section 2 is a deck of Morse code card you can observe or watch and also listen to as many times as you wish. And when you're ready, you go to part 3. There's a coded message, and you can try to copy It is at 5 words per minute. And then if you wish to help you out, you can press pause and then continue the learning process. If you ever need assistance to start a group, I will be happy to help you if you wish, in any way I can. My email address is on the video. So I'll let you at your practice and game. Have fun. Don't take it seriously, because Morse code is fun but not that easy to learn. All right? Take care. Alpha. Bravo. Charlie. Delta. Echo. Foxtrot. Golf. Hotel. India. Juliet. Kilo. Lima. Mike. November. October. Papa. Quebec. Romeo. Sierra. Tango. Uniform. Victor. Whiskey. X-ray. Yankee. Zulu.